Hello guys, welcome to our channel BPO Coder. Today we are going to see how to create a pyramid call stack chart in VBA Excel. If you are the new visitor or viewer for our channel, then please do subscribe, like and share. Also, if you have any doubts, then please do post your doubts in the comment section. Today we are going to see how to create a pyramid call stack chart in VBA Excel. To create this type of chart, we require categorical data as shown on the screen over here. So this is my types of categories, or you can say different categories over here, and their values are as of 2000 and 2014. So this is a sample data set which I've created to demonstrate how pyramid call stack chart will look after creating our VBA code. So let's get started and see the output first, and then we will dive into the VBA editor and its code to create a pyramid call stack chart in VBA Excel. So as you can see on the screen right now, that this is our pyramid call stack chart in VBA Excel, and this is showing the values for 2000 and 2014 respectively. Now to create this type of amazing chart in VBA Excel, now we are going to see how we can create this using the VBA code. So please watch this video till the end so that you can understand each and every step and the code which we do and the purpose of the code, why we write it. So as you see, this is our VBA editor, and we have written the code to create a pyramid call stack chart in VBA Excel. Now we will understand and get the deep understanding about this code and why it is written in VBA Excel to create this type of chart. Now as you can see, this is our sub procedure, and after creating a sub procedure, first we have selected B4. So B4 over here is nothing but my cell inside my data set. So as you can see, first we have to select one cell inside our data set over here. So always remember one thing: whenever you are creating this type of chart or any type of charts in VBA Excel, always you have to select a single cell inside your data set from which you are going to create a chart or visualization. Now after selecting this cell inside our data set, we are going to use two with statements to create this amazing chart. First, what we are going to do with the first with statement, we will say, or we will write the command as follows: is active sheet dot shapes dot add chart 2, and then after writing this command or these lines of code, we are going to open the brackets and give the parameters for this bracket. Now each and every chart has their own value. So our chart value has a value assigned is 251, and this is the value for creating the pyramid call stack chart. Now what we are going to do is, after giving this parameter or after fulfilling this parameter, we are going to separate each and every parameter by a comma. Now first giving the chart value over here, then we are going to say what type of chart we are going to create, so which will be the Excel pyramid called stacked. This will be our chart name, and then we will put a comma and we will mention the position and the height and width of our chart inside these parameter, or you can say inside this line of code. Now after giving this, our chart will be ready. What we are going to do is, after creating this chart, we are going to use the select command to select our chart, so that we can do some other operations with the chart which we have created. Now after selecting this chart, this chart becomes the active chart for us. So we have created another with statement or a with block of code inside our VBA editor. Over here we are going to create another with statement which will say which has to do something with the active chart and have to assign some elements and assign the chart title for our chart. So what we are going to do is, we are going to say, okay, we are going to use with active chart, and then we are going to set some elements and set our chart title. So first element over here will be removing the grid lines. So for that, what we are going to do is, after writing with active chart, we are going to say dot set element, and in the brackets we are going to say MSO primary value grid lines none. So this will remove our grid lines in chart. Next we are going to set another element. So for that, the code will be dot set element MSO element data label show. This will show our data labels. As you can see that our data labels over here are shown inside the chart. So what we are going to do is, we are saying the VBA to show the data labels inside our chart. So after doing that, we will tell VBA to set the parameter or set the legends on top. As you can see that our legends are placed on top. So to do this, we are going to write this line of code over here, which will help us to place our legends on top. To do that, we will say dot set element, and in the open brackets it will be MSO element legend top. Now after this, what we are going to do is, we are going to set the so we have set the chart title twice in our chart. So we will comment this for now, and we'll delete this because we have given the command twice in our chart, in our code. And now after setting the labels on top, the legends on top over here, we are going to set the title for our pyramid called stack chart. So to do that, now we are going to set our chart title. So to do that, what we are going to say to our VBA editor or the VBA programming, that we will be using dot hash title equals to true. First we are letting the VBA to know that okay, we want to have the chart title inside our chart. Then we are going to mention what should be the chart title after this. So to do that, we will say dot chart title dot text equals to then our name of our chart over here. You can insert your name of your chart as per your convenience. Now after giving this, we are going to close the with statement over here, the inner with statement, as you can see, and then we are going to end the outer with statement, which is this. So once you have written this much of code over here, your pyramid call stack chart in VBA Excel will be ready. Now as you can see that we have selected the chart over here as earlier when we were writing this code. So now we are going to deselect our chart. So to do that, we are going to select any empty cell in our worksheet to deselect our chart. So in my worksheet, range A1, or you can say cell A1 is the empty cell. So I'm selecting that to deselect my chart. So congratulations, you have learned how to create a pyramid call stack chart in VBA Excel. For more videos, please do subscribe, like, share with your friends and family, and please do subscribe as well as if you have any doubts regarding this tutorial, please do comment, as well as if you have any new ideas for creating a chart in VBA Excel, or you want to know how to create any different type of chart in Excel, then please do comment the same. Till then, bye from BPO Coder. Have a great day.